what did I say? Yes, how to ask question from the students. Like to put question on the students, how do you do? How do you do?
Stand up and tell me what is this and stand up, answer me this.
Yes. उससे पहले तो मतलब मैं कैसे question पूछ रहा हूँ? Like this is again a class. How do I ask question? When you put question, do not ask straight away, yes. You tell me. No. It should be from the whole class. And don't look to a specific person, you. Or don't look at them. Like, how should we ask question, for example? And then second thing, this, okay, you tell me. No. There should be a proper time. There should be brainstorming. They should think for themselves. What should I say? Then after that, yes, who can tell me? Ask the students. There would be one person, he will tell you, yes ma'am, can I tell you? This is what the answer is. Don't ask, you tell me. No. Because those students, if they don't understand, when they hear other students, they develop their confidence level then. And he will be willing to talk to you then easily. Because he hears some words from there, he was not clear, he had doubt, or maybe he was right in his mind. But because of lack of confidence, he was not able to utter some words from his mouth. But once one person talks, another easily, he keeps talking. Am I right? हमें सी भी ऐसे ना, हम बड़े हैं, हम तो छोटे बच्चे नहीं है ना, हम बड़े हैं, लेकिन हम एक बंदा बोले ना तो कहते हैं अच्छा अब तो मैं भी बोलूँगा. Am I right? So this is how like we need to follow the strategies inside the classroom.
If you are be strict, then the confidence level is mostly down.
Which one? कौन सा वाला?
जब हम strict होते हैं,
Is exactly strictly. हाँ टीचर को तो बिल्कुल.
Don't ask question why you are.
Exactly. या हम तो उन्हें मतलब kill. Two people they kill. Parents and teachers, they play very important role to develop the confidence level of students. And these two, they are the people, they kill the confidence level of the student. मतलब किसी बच्चे ने मेहमान आए हुए बड़े आए हुए वो आया हो कुछ बात की उसने शर्म दलाने दर्जी मुशर पर मक्खी खबर के उसने कौन सी गाली दी है मेहमान को क्लियर आराम से बैठो सीधे बैठो ये नहीं करना चाहिए क्लियर ओके सिट विद मी बी हियर कंट्रोल हिम विद योर हैंड्स नॉट विद योर माउथ कुछ गलत कर सी आराम से बैठो यस और टीचर्स क्या करते हैं अच्छा कहना मशरोटा Clear? Do we use like such type of words inside the classroom? Never. Never. टीचर का जो लैंग्वेज है ना इस पे हम बात करेंगे बाद में थोड़ा अभी जैसे हम वहाँ पे पहुँच जाए इंशाल्लाह क्लियर आई विल टॉक ऑन दोज थिंग्स कि अब के जो अल्फाज हैं ना वो बहुत ताकतवर अल्फाज होते हैं मतलब वो एक शाबाश भी जो होता है ना शाबाश when you tape something at the someone at the back and say well done I believe you. I trust you. I trust you. You can do that. मुझे आज भी याद है एक दिन मैं बैठा हुआ